So my father said कि बेटा कुछ भी करो जिंदगी के अंदर 1 घंटा मिनिमम अपने शरीर को दो.
True.
He
Yeah.
says he's 88. He doesn't miss a walk ever in his life. बारिश होगी, गर्मी होगी, सर्दी होगी, and mashallah he eats everything. You know he doesn't diet. तो all these things are like नहीं तो आदमी को परहेज करना पड़ता है.
True.
तो अगर आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो वो कोई भी फॉर्म में हो, चाहे वो वॉकिंग हो, योगा हो, साइकिलिंग हो, स्विमिंग हो, जिम जाना हो, वो एक चीज़ उन्होंने हमको सिखाया कि बेटा ये आपके जो बाकी के 24 घंटे हैं ना वो ये 1 घंटा संभालेगा.
अच्छा.
तो 1 घंटा अपने बॉडी को चाहे किसी भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में दो. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली दैट वी ऑल ब्रदर्स आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. लाइक टुडे आई एम 56 years old. Yeah. So I mean to say genetics do play a part.
100%.
They do play a part, but it's not as though one has been like really taken care of कि ये नहीं खाया, वो नहीं खाया, ये नहीं, सब किया है, सब, ठीक है ना? But like I said कि थोड़ा सा अपना ख्याल रखा है.
Yeah, of course.
Everything in moderation. सब चीज़ moderation.
You have any time आप में से किसी की भी बात यहाँ इंटरव्यू या कुछ चल रहा होता है, there is always mention of the great Salim Saab. Of course, he's your father, he's your mentor, but he's a big influence in your life.
Whenever there's a crisis, whenever there's anybody who needs somebody in any way, we as a family come together, and that is the biggest, बोलते हैं ना, श्रेय जिसको जाता है वो मेरे फादर को, कि उन्होंने हम सबको ना रखा एक साथ. When we were growing up, our father was that typical father कि भाई mother would give the affection and mother would give the hugs. हमारे फादर से हमको ओकेजनली हग मिलना was a very big thing. कोई चीज़ के ऊपर तारीफ करना या बोलना कि I love you was like a very big thing. Today I don't miss a day to tell my son I love him,
Okay.
to hug him. Even if he doesn't want it, I'll pull him and I'll hug him. And even if he doesn't want to hear it, I'll shout across the room, "Beta, I love you," and he'd say, "Why are you saying in front of my friends?" So maybe as a child, but it's not as though your parents didn't love you. It's just that they had a very different way of expressing it.
Yeah.
Today, my father sits with us, holds us, hugs us, tells us. So we never felt any less. But I realize कि हर आदमी का एक अलग तरीका होता है प्यार या इमोशन दिखाने का.
Of course.
तो फादर के साथ ये होता था, लेकिन the kind of respect and love that he gave and the support he gave was unbelievable. Today, like I said, wherever we are and the kind of love and appreciation and izzat जो हमको मिलती है, there is no denying that it has come from the fact that it is his blessings and his guidance in our lives.
No, of course, 100%. That's a big.
You must have come in a situation in your life where probably you wanted your father's guidance or advice on something,
Yes.
and you all must have differed.
Right, sure.
आपको घर खरीदना था say at somewhere in Dubai, which is a posh area, and he must have said that no, buy it somewhere else. Some years later, one of you all must have been proven right.
Yeah.
But at that time, you could never ever. The decision could be wrong, but the intention could have never been wrong.
No, true. Yeah.
So where your parents are concerned, where your siblings are concerned, your loved ones are concerned, I don't think that they would ever want anything, the intent to be wrong.
Yeah.
Intentions can be wrong. The decisions can be wrong,
Yeah.
and your decisions can, they can change. They keep on changing, and especially according to the world today.
Yeah.
But the intentions are never wrong.
Yeah, of
And if
course.
your intentions are not wrong, and we never take off, whatever you feel about us and you see about us, some people feel it's very easy. It's not very easy. In fact, the closer you are, the more emotionally attached you are, the more sensitive you are, and you have to take care. You cannot take your own people for granted.
Yeah.
That sometimes it's an inner feeling where we say that, like, he's my brother and I'm so close to him. This is one thing he should have just understood. No, that's one thing he probably must have not have understood, and I had to go and explain it to him, and it's created a doubt in his mind. So what we do in our family, what we have been taught is clarity. Have a lot of clarity, have a lot of conversations. If you feel that there is something bothering even your son, don't consider that he's my son, he's my blood, he should understand. Okay, this is my upbringing. No, we are three brothers.
Yeah.
And we three, we don't look alike, we don't behave alike. We have different kind of friends.
Yeah.
We've been brought up differently. So, in one upbringing, we are three different individuals.
People, yeah, of course.
So I believe in one thing that, in fact, sometimes a friend gets closer to you than your own sibling. That was explained to our dad that don't keep anything in you. You have something to say,
speak it out.
speak it out, communicate, because that's the only way. Otherwise, you start
You're
dreaming
boiling
dragons.
it up.
Yeah, you
I
start
know what
dreaming
you mean.
dragons.
I understand.
हाय, मैं अंकित हूँ, टाइम आउट वाला, टाइम आउट विद अंकित वाला। अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, ये हमें मोटिवेट करता है बेटर करने के लिए। लाइक आपकी मर्ज़ी, बट सब्सक्राइब फिर भी कर दो।